Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this video. One important theorem is remaining, and title of the theorem is Theorem of Areas of Two Similar Triangles. So earlier we never mentioned this word similar. Okay, if two similar triangles are given, then what we can prove regarding the ratio of their areas? We just going to study of this theorem. This is an important theorem. Keep in mind, the statement of this theorem is ratio of areas of two similar triangles. Again, the word similar is very important here. The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of the corresponding sides. Earlier we just knew that the ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangles are equal, okay, or the corresponding sides of two similar triangles are proportional. We just know that, but we never used we never seen that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles. So we are just going to study that. This is new for all of us. To prove this theorem, I just drawn two similar triangles here, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So we must know the properties of two similar triangles. We know that if two triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles are congruent and the corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, we know that. So triangle ABC and triangle PQR are the two similar triangles which are given, and I have drawn this figure. So as per our statement and diagram, we can write the given things like this. What is given? Okay, I will pause the video to make it short. Okay, as per our statement and this particular diagrams, we can write given portion as triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, because this thing is given to us. To prove, what we have to prove, areas of these ratio of areas of these particular two similar triangles, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, is equal to the ratio of squares of the corresponding sides, means AB square upon PQ square is equal to, or we can also say or is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. Any of this statement we have to prove. We don't need to prove all the statements like AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square, AC square upon PR square. Any one of these we have to prove. So furthermore, we will understand the thing. So to prove this theorem, we have to make some construction here. So I'm just going to make a construction. I'm just going to draw AD perpendicular. BC means AD will be the height and BC will be the base. Similarly, in triangle PQR, PS perpendicular QR. So I will make the construction here. Okay, these dotted lines are our constructions. AD perpendicular BC, PS perpendicular QR. Okay, the same thing I have mentioned in the construction portion. Now I will prove this statement or prove this theorem by using this some things are given here. So pay attention at proof. We know that triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Okay, this thing is given, so simply I will write the reason as given. Then we know that the sides of two similar triangles are proportional, right? Means I can write here like this. Therefore AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Statement number 1. Reason. Corresponding sides of similar triangles, because we know that the corresponding sides of two similar triangles are proportional. Okay, then again by this construction we can find two other triangles like ADB or ABD, triangle ABD and triangle PQ. Yes, so we can prove some things in those triangles. Now in triangle ABD and triangle PQS, we can say angle, which angle? We know that ABC, triangle ABC and triangle PQ are similar, means the corresponding angles are congruent, means angle ABC congruent angle PQR. This is about the main triangles, but what about ABD and triangle PQS? We can say the same angle is already congruent, we're just going to change their names, like we are putting ABD, angle ABD instead of ABC. We are just changing them, nothing we are doing it extra. Okay, so we can say in these two triangles, angle ABD congruent angle PQ. Yes, this thing is already given, means we are not mentioned in given portion, but we know that the corresponding angles of similar triangles are congruent, so we just shown that congruent and put reason as given. Also angle ATP congruent angle PSQ, because we know that we have made a construction, we just drawn the perpendicular lines there. Perpendicular means these two angles are 90 degree each. Okay, if two corresponding angles of any two triangles are congruent, then we can say by angle test those two triangles are similar. So we can simply show that these two triangles are similar like this. Therefore triangle ABD similar triangle PQ, yes, by A test. Okay, if two triangles are similar, the corresponding sides occur, the corresponding sides are proportional, so we can write like this. Therefore AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PS. Statement number second, reason, the same reason like this. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Okay, from statement number 1 and statement number 2, we can say the left hand side of both the statements are same. Therefore whatever at left hand side it's same, then we can show the right hand side also equal or same. So from 1 and 2 we can write, therefore BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PS. This is statement number 3, and we can put the reason like this from statement number 1 and 2. Okay, now we know that the areas of two triangles is equal to the product of the corresponding bases and height. Or we forget this, if you forget this property, we can simply put, or you can simply put, the areas of two triangles or any two triangles is equal to half into BC into, half into base into height. We can, by formula we can write that. Now area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base BC and height AD upon half into base QR and height PS. Half will be cancelled, and we can write it as BC upon QR into AD upon PS. Okay, we know that BC upon QR means AD upon PS, means instead of AD upon PS we can put BC upon QR. The same thing we are going to do here. BC upon QR is as it is, and instead of AD upon PS from statement number 3, we are going to write BC upon QR. BC upon QR reason from statement number 3 means BC into BC, that is BC square, and QR into QR, that is QR square. And we know what is at left hand side, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. So we have proven that a ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of the corresponding side. Similarly, we can prove remaining things like this, means AB square upon PQ square and AC square upon PR square. So we can put, so I have no space to write here, so at the end we can put like, similarly we can prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. Okay, so one thing we have proven here. So the statement of this theorem we have proven here. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.